our menu for today. Alright, so we're starting off our series on low carb bake shop tips. Alright, so for today, okay, isa lang yung pwede mo munang tanungin to get started. Bakit mo ba talaga gustong magsimula ng low carb bake shop? Okay, so we've been running our bake shop since 2019, so pretty 6 years already. Okay, so isa lang ang tanungin mo muna sa sarili mo, bakit ko ba gusto talaga tong gawin? In my case, 2019, I started the low carb diet, and so nasabi ko lang sa sarili ko, parang mas practical yata kung ako na lang magbe-bake ng aking mga low carb breads and pastries. Pero dahil pinopost ko siya sa social media, merong nagka-interest. At doon nagsimula, kaya lang, kailangan may sustaining factor. So ask yourself, why do I really want to do this? So more than anything else, it is my advocacy to share low-carb products, to offer low-carb goodies na hindi lang basta healthy, basta dapat masarap din. Alright? So there you have it! Low-carb negosyo tips for you today.